Next is the Belarusian Hummer. This is how many websites called this vehicle named the RAMSMOBILE. The car inspires respect both by its design and technical solutions. The hydraulic door folding mechanism alone took a year and a half to develop, but the most impressive feature is the retractable track. It's no coincidence that the designers wanted to build the most stunning off-roader in the world. But there's more. Each seat is equipped with an electronic hookah. You must agree that all other features like the digital dashboard backlighting and Teflon underbody coating don't look so impressive compared to this. By the way, the ground clearance of the RAMSMOBILE is 348 mm. There are 3 different versions: gasoline, diesel, and electric. The latter produces 1200 horsepower. The price of the car is estimated at about $1.5 million. Of course, with this money you can buy about 15 Hummers, but will they offer you as much emotion as this vehicle? Our journey takes us to Japan. The homeland of the Transformers franchise didn't disappoint us. What do you think of buses that run on both roads and rails? It takes 15 seconds to switch between modes. Just pull out or remove the additional wheel sets and you're good to go. There's enough room for 21 passengers. The speed on the rails reaches 60 km/h and on the road 100 km/h. By the way, Japanese engineers didn't develop these buses from scratch, but cleverly modified the existing diesel models, and they achieved their goal. Now they use less fuel, which means the environment will be grateful, but they had to create separate routes for the new vehicles for safety reasons. However, the result is not only a convenient transport, but also a great attraction for tourists. Versatility, but a vehicle for specific tasks. The following upgrades from Australian specialists will help you out. It can turn an ordinary production car into a camper, a mobile workshop, a mobile shop, or anything else. Both ready-made modules and custom configurations are available. For example, the IDC-16 canopy allows you to set up a tent on the roof, offers a 155 cm retractable storage system, and a lot of removable luggage trays. The system's made of aluminum and stainless steel LED tail lights are included. The price is about $9,600. Even though it's a little high, there will be enough buyers, because in Australia people like pickup trucks, especially utes, with a 2-door coupe cabin and an integral cargo bed behind the cabin. This automotive masterpiece looks like it arrived from a movie set. 1 second it's calmly driving down the road and the next it's already firing bullets from an M134D minigun of the enemy. It's perfect for escorting VIPs. The minigun activates in 3 seconds and rotates 360 degrees, goes 45 degrees up and 10 degrees down. Is the danger over in just 8 seconds? The car looks like a conventional vehicle. Again, for additional protection it comes with B6 level armor, so it can withstand an attack with Kalashnikov assault rifles and 7.62mm sniper rifles. The run-flat tires can still be driven even with a complete loss of pressure. This upgrade is perfect for the GMC Yukon and the Chevrolet Suburban, but the team can handle other models as well. Of American World War II veterans to a hobby, popular everywhere from Brazil to Japan nowadays, these vehicles are associated with hip-hop, peculiar dances and big money. For example, the model created for Kobe Bryant by West Coast Customs was valued at about $221,000. That's right, we're talking about Lowriders. Are recognizable and bright cars capable of jumping and dancing. Thanks to the refined suspension, it's easy to recognize a lowrider by several features: small wheels, a powerful audio system, many chrome details, and soft seats. You can make a lowrider out of anything. For example, a vintage American car or a brand new Cadillac Escalade. However, some people say the latter looks like a hearse, but you can't please everyone, right?